Hi, welcome to Data Ad YouTube channel. And for today's stream, there is interesting like art and a maths integration we are going to discuss. So recently, I have found that this video images which are based on equations. So when I try to check this equation, it's totally complicated for me. But outcome which is created by this user, this scientist Hamid Nadari Yagnesh, it's beautiful. If you go to through the his different social media platform, you can see that there are many such artwork we can see which are actually based on mathematical equations. So let's check few of them. Field of Poppies by Hamid Naderi Yagneha. So this is for Saturn, one of moon, Saturn from one of moon. So there is a imagination and there is a uh, after imagining one of the topic or scene, creation of this creation of art or painting or drawing is different, and based on that imagination create equation which could ultimately provide outcome as a image or painting image. It's totally there are these totally two different things we can see that. So bird of flying over the leafless forest. So he already imagined this, and based on that he create this equation is totally fascinating for me, which is not good at this visualization part. So ancient relief sculpture by Hamid. So you can go through on like his different like media. So I tried to check one of his interview, but that part was still like for quite long time it's still buffering, so I'm not able to get more details, but I will share this link. Maybe once you try it, you can play this video and get more detail of it. He is available on LinkedIn as well. I currently as a work as a mathematical artist. Yes, yes, correct. Researcher student at UCL Maths in UK. So he already won gold medal for like a Iranian Mathematical Society. So he is from Iran. So on LinkedIn as well, you can go through these different artwork. He share artwork throughout all his social media. Here we have on for Instagram as well. He is on Thread as well. He have own his YouTube channel, but you can see it's not very detailed. He is not provided or explained his so he has not provided much detail about how he created. He just we post on social media, and here we can see one of his art like creation. There is no music at all. So if you could create a detailed video or explain video like how he this the following short animation sheds light on the main scenario used to create artwork. The frames of the animation progress by increasing the number of terms in the summation used in the equation. So instead of this banner, he could have explained this thing in detail. So other people or his subscriber or follower can be inspired, and they try the same, and there are more animation or images we can see, so it can promote maths over the time, and same time there are artwork we can see. So this can we see step by steps how these flames we can fire artwork he have created. So it seems that's it for this. There are comments for each and every video, but uh, like he with explanation he could have gained more subscriber and more popularity than this part. So how this actually works, so for this I have found this video. Actually this video got my attention, and I tried to get more detail for Hamid, like how it actually works. So here in this video from Anush Kache, got details like how it he create those artwork.
And if you wanted to show a point, you gave it a value on the x-axis and the y-axis. Then if you wanted to make a line, you had this equation, and if you change the values of the equation, the way the line looks will change. Similarly, you can have equations for shapes, colors, textures, shadows, dimensions, directions, and so on. And when you make all these equations interact together, you can actually get an artwork like this. But what is the tool that converts an equation to a visual? An example is something like Desmos, which you can try out yourself and make a heart shape or even a Pikachu. But how do you go from something like this to something like this? He told me that.
So like from simple we can like create, but for its quite complex part.
The way he thinks of an artwork is
This his process were emailed by Hamid to this creator, because of that she mentioned in detail with confidence. The main idea is the same for all of them, to find functions that generate the color of each of the pixels. So because of that we can see colored picture, and instead of only graphs we can see actual position of those pixel on detailed version.
basically figuring out what color each pixel should have, and then they all come together to make an artwork. And when I talked to the mathematician, he told me the way I'm explaining it makes sense up to a certain point, after which it gets way too complex for him to explain it. Which is fine, because this isn't a technical video. This is to explain how something like numbers and equations can turn into something like art. And it's also to make the point that art and science are not two separate things. No matter what our education system tells us, they are very much connected to the way that humans express themselves. You don't have to be a science person, an arts person, or a commerce person to just be curious about these things and take enjoyment in the fact that cool things like this are happening all around the world.
So you can also check or try some similar to this. There is concern, I had concern because uh, we are facing like for each and every part we are trying to understand that how this could have done by AI, or how uh, good or bad AI can turn these things into. So because of that I was very hesitant to check, but I found finally try checked in AI, like if the AI can replicate this work or not. So which I earlier thought I wouldn't do, but finally I tried. In this chat GPT conversation I have provided this screenshot to chat GPT, and there is a name provided like bald eagle by Hamid, and mention that create image from this math equation. But he is not when uh, it goes into deep mode and try to create, and this is outcome I have found from ChatGPT, and I relieved that it's not replicating Hamid's concept. But I thought earlier I thought when I provided name or detail, it will check on internet and try to find detail and try to work on that part. So what I have done later for Grok, I have provided only equation without name, and this is the outcome is Grok provided to me, which is good but totally irrelevant of what we can see for Hamid's artwork particle. Yes, it's more appealing and satisfying than that AI is replicating. But I know somehow in maybe in future with updated version, AI can replicate his work, but original concept or idea is from Hamid, and kudos to him to uh, like uh, in his way uh, he is trying to promote maths and artwork together. So that's it today for data ad hoc. Hope you like the video, and let's meet next time with another interesting data topic. Thank you.